Even a giant needs friends. Supu was an enormous giant. His favorite food was the clouds in the sky. Every time Supu visited a country, there was nothing but problems with him. He ate so many clouds, so the rain for the crops disappeared. Moreover, eating clouds always caused Supu stomach ache, which made him cry, and with his tears floods happened. Wherever he went, people became angry and refused to talk to him. Supu felt lonely and sad. But one night, the stars asked him why he was so sad. On hearing his story, they commented, "Poor giant, he didn't know how to make friends." "But where can I find friends? How do I do that?" replied the giant. "By giving people a hand or doing something for them. That is what makes friendship." "That never occurred to me. What did you do to make friends?" the giant asked. "Well, we show people the way at night and serve as guides to many sailors," said the stars. And so it was. From that day on, Supu decided to help people wherever there were storms and floods. He started eating the clouds, and if there was a shortage of water, he began crying. Before long, farmers and many other people wanted to be Supu's friend.